Here at Butterball, we realize that Thanksgiving is the most important holiday of the year. It's all about family, America, giving thanks, and a delicious, roasted, farm-raised Butterball Eagle. Benjamin Franklin he wanted the national bird of America to be the turkey. Wow, that would have changed so much. Oh, you think you can treat Butterscotch Jackson this way? Oh, you sure is one job mother-sucking eagle. Cats have spikes barbed on their penises. Well, the male ones do anyway.
Look on the bright side, cats. It's better than having sex with a Pittsburgh Steelers fan.